right here. Today we're going to replace alternator bracket on the Camaro. We're just going to get rid of the old steel one and put on an aluminum one. We got to do a little drilling on it and make the holes a little bit bigger first. So here we go. All right, here's the one we're going to be putting on. And there's the one we're going to be replacing. It's not much weight, but hey, I got it. I might as well put it on there. I got to make these holes a little bit bigger. So let's bring them over to the drill press and hog them out a little bit. Oh yeah, we're gonna need an extension on that one. That one's in the way of the pulley. This one. There goes my washer. Spacer in here somewhere. There's that one. I'm gonna grab a wrench for the other one. Step bits are awesome. Look at that. Even left a chamfer on there. So able to put a little chamfer on there. Pretty sweet. I just made them a size bigger. Just having a problem with them lining up for some reason. I don't know. So I'll try this. that's a good idea or not. That's going to be right on that pulley. So I guess I'll try it without the lock washers and see how it goes. I don't think that's long enough anyway. This doesn't want to fit. There it is. All right. There's one. Oh, let's get my wrench as long as I'm here. There we go. Got a wrench. And also, oh, there's another bolt. All right. Well, I think we got to get down deep for this one. Oh, Jesus. Nothing better than laying on the ground. Woohoo! Yeah. All right, here we go. Come on. Come on. There it is. I got it. I got it. Yeah. All right. Let's see if we can get this to work. What we got? Make sure you put anti-seize on these because you're going into aluminum. And it's always a good idea because otherwise stuff starts to weld to each other and you can't get it apart. So I just do it always. It's just a good idea. This isn't gonna work. I gotta get an Allen wrench. See if I can go grab some more wrenches. Man, what the heck? Wrench, maybe a crescent wrench? Should I go grab that now too? How about pliers? Hammer? I mean, it's 3 bolts, you know? And sometimes the easiest things are the toughest. And I don't know why that is. Maybe it's because you think it's going to be easy. I don't know. But, yeah. Sometimes it works like that. A lot of times it works like that. At least for me. And here I am thinking, this is, oh, it's 3 bolts. You know, this would be simple. No problem. Hey. No problem. 3 hours later, you know, sometimes 4. Sometimes you got to come back the next day. But, hey, it's fun. We're going to make this thing fit. It's going to fit. It's going to work. There it is. Huh? Look at that. Just look at it. Now we just got to tighten it up. It's pretty sweet looking though, ain't it? Ain't it? I mean, hey, that's fancy. And it's lighter. We're going to go faster. All right, got the Allen wrench. Try to tighten this thing up. All right, I got them all to start. So hopefully they go all the way in. I just had to open up those holes a little bit more. And yeah, see, this thing's already, I just don't think this is gonna fit. it's just not lined up properly. So if you look at this, check this out. See how the holes are? That one's in there. They're all started, but it's like the holes are off so much that those bolts won't even work. So I think I'll have to just go with the original bolts and figure something out for the pulley there. That's the only problem. So here we go, we try something else. All right, so what we're gonna try and do is just thin this up a little bit. So with the that's all I was really trying to do, is make it a little thinner so that the bolt has a little bit enough threads to go into the head. Fire this bad boy up, eh? All right, there it is. Looks pretty cool. Shaves a little weight. Hopefully we can go faster. That's what it's all about. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. I wanna thank you very much for watching. Make sure to hit that like, subscribe button, and we'll talk to you soon. Later.